Ребята, привет! У меня сегодня на канале необычный выпуск, потому что я сегодня не одна. Я делаю это видео вместе со своим другом Рафаэлем. Рафаэль вообще родом из Италии, из Наполи, из Неаполя, если по-русски говорить. Но сейчас он живет в Турции, в Бодруме. И сегодня Рафаэль расскажет мне и вам тоже, как готовить настоящий итальянский кофе в гейзерной кофеварке или в мока-пот, как она называется по-итальянски. И сегодня мы будем говорить по-английски. Я обязательно сделаю русские субтитры внизу. Надеюсь, что вам понравится это видео, будет полезным. Приятного просмотра. So, my friend, мой друг.
Моя подруга.
Yes, you know Russian a little.
Yes. So, well, you said a lot about me.
Yes, but if you would like to introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Raffaele, I'm from Napoli. I'm a video maker, photographer. I'm trying to be a video maker and photographer. And yeah, but today I will be the coffee maker. Yeah. Because
Like
today,
any Italian.
like any Italian, the true Italian has to know how to make coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, with mocha pot. Okay, this one is typical from Italy and especially from the south of Italy. I mean, it's typical from the tradition of south of Italy coffee, let's say. And yeah, today I will show you how to make it without mistakes, because there are a lot of mistakes. Okay, first of all, we have to open. It's so basic. Okay, we have to open.
Can you make a mistake on this one?
Oh, there's people that they can do it. As you can see, there is the filter. Okay, so there is the place where you put water, and there is some tricks, some tips that I can tell to you how to make it. So yeah, okay. First of all, to make a coffee we have to put water, I will put water. As you can see, there is this little thing inside, this little dot, and you should put the water till there, just, to fill here. But there is a little trick.
But wait, first I have a question. You have to put any water, like from the tap. You don't need to.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Anyways, it will be boiled.
Okay.
Don't worry about. There's little drops of water, and this is the how the mocha has to be filled with little drops that are coming here.
So you should see the drops
Yeah,
here, right?
we have to put coffee.
Okay.
There's this special coffee that it's filter coffee. I don't know how do you say in Russia?
I think we say filter coffee, yeah. I'm not sure because I'm not really drinking coffee that much.
Okay. So then there's a lot of. We put this because it will be a mess, but we like that. We like mess and yeah. So
in Napoli or in Italy?
In general. Okay, let's put coffee. And there is this mistake that a lot of people they are doing, that they are pressing, to make it the coffee, and also they are putting coffee till here, till the end of the mocha. The tip is make a little heel, and we will close. We will close. But another tip is close very, very strong. Because like that, the water when it will boil, it will not it will not go out of the mocha pot from here. Maybe a little bit from here, but it's normal.
And for this amount of coffee and water, how many portions of coffee?
Well, it depends how many coffee you want.
Like for the
this one is for I guess this one is for five or six people. If you want to make espresso, of course, small one espresso. Remember, espresso is really, really short. It's not the espresso that it's like that, but it's really, really, really short. And in Italy there is also short espresso that it's more short.
Less than.
Yeah. Okay. And now we have to put on fire. Now, we are putting the coffee, and let's wait for the coffee.
How long do we wait?
It depends. I mean, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It depends on the size of the mocha pot. This one, I guess, 5, between 5 and 8 minutes, more or less. We will see. We will discover together.
And now we are gonna do something else.
Yeah. Now we are gonna do. I mean, we are just preparing something for the coffee cream. That it made by sugar. You know, we need a.
Do we need something?
Yeah, we need a spoon and a glass. Spoon and glass. Okay. So it depends how many people. Okay, this operation it will be made by the thing that we call the first coffee, because in a mocha pot there is a coffee that is coming out before. That it's more, it's not too liquid.
It's thick.
Yeah, and that one is the first coffee. With that one we will mix with sugar, and we will mix till to have a cream, a sweet coffee cream, and it will be.
And for example, if I want to drink coffee with milk, I have to put milk in a certain time, or
No, you can put milk later.
after.
After the coffee.
Okay.
Okay, so let's take 2 or 3 spoons.
So for example, right now we are me, you, and our friends behind the camera, and this coffee will be enough for.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Sure. So let's wait.
How many spoons did you put?
4, 5. It depends. I mean, because of that, we will not put sugar in the coffee. I mean, we will put just the cream, and it will be enough sweet. You know. Okay.
We are waiting.
Yeah.
Okay, I can talk with you. So, you know, I wanted to ask, okay, you're an Italian who knows how to cook and how to drink coffee, but you're living in Turkey now. What about Turkish coffee? Do you like it, or, I mean, do you drink it normally here?
Well, I drank a few.
Just looking. Do you like Turkish coffee?
I'm gonna
Wait, let me answer. Right? Okay, I drank a few times, couple of times. Yeah, well, of course it's different by Italian coffee, but it's good. It's good, and also I like the
serving tradition.
Yeah. It's so good. I like it.
Maybe you can just, you know, share your impressions from Turkey. How long have you been here already? Like around 9 months.
Yes, around 9 months. I was here also last year for 2 months for a short-term project, and now I'm having my long-term project till March, and we will see also if I will gonna stay more. Okay, it's coming out. So this one is the first coffee. So what we will do with this first coffee, we'll put in the sugar. Okay. And yeah. And now we will leave the coffee. Okay. And now we will start to mix. Mix. Maybe I put too much coffee, and we will take another spoon of sugar just to balance and make it more creamy. And yeah, and now the thing is just mixing. And meanwhile, coffee is coming. You can smell the aroma. Okay, so creamy. Let's check the coffee. It's still coming. Come to see the coffee that is coming.
So Italian.
Look, coffee is coming out.
Yeah.
So, oh look. Okay, done. Okay, done. with coffee. Okay, usually we are putting the cream before the coffee. So we are putting just a little spoon in the coffee. And usually in Napoli, there are people that they are coming, they are going to the bars, and they are asking just coffee with cream, espresso with cream. Yeah, because usually you can have it without cream, of course in a normal way, but cream is, it's something more fancy also. Okay, now after the cream, we put the coffee. As you can see, look, I didn't close properly. But that's fine. Okay.
Just a little?
Just a little. Because for Napolitan and Italians, coffee is not just something to drink. It's a moment where you are taking breaks for, when also if you have a bad day, how to start a good day, and also it's an excuse to talk with someone that maybe you are not meeting for a long time, and you are saying, oh, let's go and drink a coffee. It's, especially in Napoli, it's a good excuse to meet with people.
Can you eat this? It looks so yummy, honestly.
You can taste it. Taste.
Yeah, okay.
Just a bit.
So nice
So good.
and sweet. Oh my god.
So, okay.
Shall we try?
Yeah, let's try. I will call here.
Do we want to join?
Come.
We have also other friends here.
The friends that
Ezgi and Celine. And
Hello.
Victoria.
enjoy.
Ellerine sağlık.
Enjoy. Enjoy.
Spasibo.
Spasiba.
Grazie mille.
No.
Yes.
Well,
Because I imagine how we look, just all
Yeah.
It's like,
okay. So
what
now.
do you think about this coffee? No, it's really good. Really, really good.
Wow.
Turkish.
I'm kidding, it's delicious.
So today, Raffaele showed us how to cook.
In Russian.
True. Рафаэль сегодня нам рассказал, как приготовить и как пить правильно итальянский кофе из гейзерной кофеварки, а в следующий раз, может быть, не знаю, через месяц где-то, Эзги и Селин хочу сделать вместе с ними видео о том, как готовить турецкий кофе, но уже не в кофеварке, а в турецкой джезве. Друзья, я надеюсь, что вам понравилось это видео и что оно было полезным, потому что я, например, до этого не знала, как приготовить кофе в такой кофеварке, но я ее купила специально для того, чтобы записать это видео и поучиться у Рафаэля, как все-таки правильно готовить кофе. Пишите в комментариях, вообще любите ли вы кофе, как вы его обычно готовите, потому что я уже говорила в одном из своих предыдущих видео, что я недавно купила себе капучинатор и открываю потихоньку для себя мир кофе. Спасибо большое за просмотр.
Спасибо.
Спасибо.
За просмотр.
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 Спасибо за просмотр.
Wow, you're great!
Спасибо за просмотр.
До свидания.
Спасибо, да.
Пока.
Пока.
Bye-bye.